So we're at so this is a listing in Yeadon, PA. We are on West Cobbs Creek Parkway. Here's your street view. Okay, so you have some on-street parking, and then you have your own private driveway, attached garage. This house is 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and we're going to go in and take a look. So your shared walkway. Now there's 2 entrances, well actually 3. There's one off the garage, 2 doors on the side of the house. This will take you directly into your living room, and then this door will take you into your kitchen. And you have a nice private backyard. You could even throw up a privacy fence here if you wanted. Give yourself some more privacy. Okay. House fully renovated. All right, brand new kitchen. So you got tons of space to entertain and cook. You could throw some bar seats around your center island while you entertain your guests. You have plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space. Okay, these are quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas stove. Here's your farmhouse sink, very nice. Your dishwasher. Your refrigerator is counter depth. All right, here's your dining area. Okay. Here's the door I was talking about that brings you right into your living room. You have a nice coat closet right here. See if we can get you a good view of your coat closet. Okay, your coat closet. A lot of people say, well, where's the coat closet? Where's the closets on the first floor? So you have a nice closet there to store your jackets for your guests. Here's your living room. Nice large bay window. Brings in tons of natural light in here. I could turn off all the lights and still see everything perfectly fine. Nice accent wall that they put up. That's a very nice touch. All your floors are LVT. We'll jump upstairs. You have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 1. And these bedrooms are very spacious. Okay, you got your closet. Your hall closet. Bedroom 2. Spacious bedrooms and closets. Hall bath coming up next. Showers right here behind the door. Into your primary. Okay. Closet. Closet's not that big, but still, you have this little nook area here where you can kind of you can improvise and throw some drawers in there. Here is your bathroom. Walk-in shower. We'll head back downstairs. Powder room just at the top of the stairs, leading to your basement. Okay, basement is unfinished. And it is walkout. Okay, a little space for some storage. And this can easily be finished, okay? There's plenty of ceiling height down here. You can easily finish this. You can frame out around your utilities. Here's your washer dryer hookup. Would have loved to see the washer and dryer hookup on the first or second floor, preferably, but still very nice. And then here's your walkout, which takes you back out to the street. Very convenient. Okay, garage door is locked. I imagine you could get a car in there. It might be a little tight, but you do have on-street parking as well for your guests. So that's it, guys. 3 beds, 2.5 baths. List price for this house is $329. Okay, so $329 is not bad. These homes typically don't last long because they're very close and convenient to the city. You're close to the airport, close to 95. So your commute to the city and to Delaware is very short, pending traffic. So if you're interested, please let me know. We can book you a tour. Your requirements for touring is that you have to have a pre-approval if you're taking out a loan. So we got to, get you with a lender if you don't have one yet, and get you pre-approved so we can make sure that this house is the right fit for you financially. And if you're a cash buyer, all we need is proof of funds, and we can get you in. Sorry about the beeping. It's coming from the refrigerator. I think the power shut off at some point. So I guess they just need to reset it, but there's nothing wrong with the refrigerator. Everything in here is brand new. So like I said, if you're interested, please let me know. I'll put all the details of this house, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, any additional info in the description.